Bang, bang. Clear tower. Alex, come take this tower with me. I'm up. Okay.
You got our lower, bud? If you get hit, make sure you yell really fucking loud, so we know.
Because you've had, I've never been in towers.
That's okay.
Oh, there's a guy.
How close? Your left down there. Your left out the
He's
door.
dead.
He's dead.
He's dead. Glock kill.
Nice, go on.
That was good. Suck Glock, buddy. Suck Glock. That was good because I fucked him up.
How far?
It's like 40 feet. He's dead there. Where's that? Right.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Let's see. Oh my God.
Did you hit him?
Oh my God. Come here. Look at him. Look at him. That's where he was. One shot with a pistol.
Oh my God.
Leading him. Leading him. Leading him. Leading him. I'm actually sniping with a Glock. Here, contact? I gotta peek out here. Who the fuck is that guy?
Who the fuck is this guy? Who are these guys? Who the fuck are they?
Oh my God, what a Glock shot, dude. Holy fuck. Contact still there?
Right. Oh God!
Alright, give me a hand. This hand. Pull me up.
Oh!
No damage at all. That was a real fucking good hole. You gotta watch me there. Forgot that.
Good?
Yeah. Totally good. Okay. I got a good angle. I missed that ledge there. I thought it was longer.
Let me know if you know
I know how to fall. My knee got
he's
bruised.
still over here. I can't get a shot with a rifle.
Okay. Now I'm just scared. Where's he at?
Left side.
I think I hit him.
How far, buddy? By home, Ron?
I got
Never mind.
I got somebody running. You alright?
Yeah.
What are you doing that for?
Because I can't fucking stick my gun up
Oh,
there.
shorter. Got ya. My eyes are so sweaty. Oh, there's a good breeze.
Right, it hurts so bad.
Let me get some breezy going.
He's trying to arc him from the first floor right side. Second story right side. See him coming out? He can't hit shit.
Let's see.
Oh, jeez. Hit it. Bang, bang. Oh, dude, I got it. Second floor.
How'd they get up here? Look out, look out.
How close?
Right here. He's right below us, dude. Not below us, he's in the next building. I think I got him with that.
Is this legal?
They're shooting at me. Epic gunplay, dude. Hit! God damn it, that was a ricochet. Oh, what an epic fight.
Bang, bang. Bang.
It's so fucking bad. Look out, I gotta go, bud. Here, hold that. Oh no. Watch it.